Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Barbara and today is my first YouTube video. I have no idea what's taken me so long. I've been wanting to do it for quite some time. So I finally got the courage and I'm doing it. And what better way to start my channel than Chanel? So we're doing a double Chanel unboxing. As you guys will follow along, hopefully follow along. I love Chanel. I go gaga for Chanel. It's my favorite brand. I love it. I don't buy it that often anymore just because the price is increasing all the time. But I still love it. And I do buy a little bit, you know, it's my thing, you know, a bag here and there, a little small leather good. But it really is my favorite brand. And they have like 12 collections a year and it's just like every month they have something new. So I just love it so much. So I'm very excited. So we're doing a double Chanel unboxing. This one I actually opened yesterday because I was just overly excited about it. But I'll reopen it here so you guys can see it. And this one I actually just got in the mail this morning. So I'm very excited because the store that I went to didn't have it, so they ordered it for me. So what shall we start first? I think we'll go with this one. I'm very excited about this one. So this one I actually saw near where I live. There's a huge mall and there's a Chanel cosmetic store. And they, like now they're selling small leather goods. So I saw it last month. I thought it was very, very cute. And I was like, you know, I'll sleep on it. I'll marinate on it. And I've been marinating for like a month. So I figured, I was like, you know what? I really want it. I want the color, like I want that specific color. So I might as well get it now because I don't know if I'll find it later. So I love the Chanel packaging. It's so pretty. Hopefully the camera, we're still figuring out lighting and camera and all that fun stuff. So let's start with this. So camellia. You know who loves these camellias? My dog. I love to give it to him because Alfie, well, it's not coming out of the ribbon. Alfie will literally just like bite it off. Like not bite it off, but he'll chew on it. So that's what I give to, that's what Alfie gets from Chanel. So, oh my gosh, it is so, they knotted it so well, you know? Okay, there we go. So finally, I'm very excited, guys. It's just one of those things that, I don't know. I don't really know what to tell you guys. It's one of those things that I love it. It's cute. It's a little, I don't want to say it's useless, but you know, no one needs luxury. You know, it's just, we get it for fun. So let's see. It's a little cosmetics case. So cute. It came with the tag. And came with a little pamphlet that, let's face it, I never read these pamphlets. I save them in the box for a rainy day, I guess. And it came with a little dust bag. And it's so cute. I hope you guys can see it. I hope it like shows the color off. It's just the most beautiful red. And then we open it and it's like, it has like a plastic lining inside. So it really is for cosmetics. And then it has my little card that all the Chanel stuff comes with. And I don't know what this is. Oh, this is like with the tag. And it has, oh, it's so cute. So you can put lipstick. I can put like I don't know, tweezers. Like I can put like makeup stuff in here, and if it gets dirty, I can just wipe it clean because it's not like leather and it's not like, so, and it was made in Italy and it has this little thing here. How cute this is. Oh, I love it so much. It's so cute. And the hardware, it's like a really light gold. I don't know if you guys could see it. Hopefully. We'll figure this out. So it's very cute. I love it. Let's see how much I use it. That's the thing. Because I actually never put that much stuff in my purses, guys. Like I am very like, I barely change bags. Like it will take me maybe like a week or 2 weeks to like change bags. So I feel like it's just such a hassle because I keep my bags all stored in the boxes and everything, and like with the tissue paper. So sometimes I just get super lazy and I just keep the bag I'm wearing. Right now I'm wearing like the mini Pandora from Givenchy. I've been wearing it for the past like 3 weeks. So yeah, so that doesn't even fit in here. Like this doesn't fit in that bag because it's just so small. But yeah, it's just so cute. I feel like it's cute for traveling, and you know, like I have a couple Chanel minis and I can just like pretty much stuff everything here and then just stuff it in the bag. So I feel like it's just very cute. So I don't know, I really love it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. I just think it's very, very cute. And it is from Cruise. Yeah, it's from Cruise. So, and it retailed for $7.50. I thought it was just so expensive. But you know, Chanel nowadays is like, I don't know if you guys want to see the code. Yeah, but Chanel nowadays is just such a fortune. And every time they have a price increase, I always tell myself, like, I'm gonna stop buying it. Like, there's nothing I'm gonna buy anymore. Like, no more Chanel for me. And then they come out with a new bag or a new color or something else. And then, you know, I go ahead and buy it. Like last year, my plan was not to buy any bags from Chanel. And then I was doing really, really well. And then Carl died in February, right in the beginning of the year. And then I was just like, oh my gosh, I feel like I have to have something else because, you know, like we don't know if whoever takes over is going to be just as wonderful as Carl. So yeah, I don't think she's as wonderful as Carl, but she's doing a great job. So I ended up getting like a bag, and then later on in the year, I got another bag. Guys, I blab a lot, and I don't rant, but like I blab a lot. I talk a lot. That was always like what my teachers complained to like my parents at school. Like, she talks a lot. She's very talkative in class. So you guys will figure that out too. So anyway, so he went ahead and then he passed away. I was crushed, and then I went ahead and I was like, let me get one more bag because, you know, I don't know. I really want another bag, and I saw the tote. I loved it, and it's a tote. It's what I got last year. But I really like it, and I think it's very cute. And I just feel like it's a good little, like, everyday bag. Not bag, pouch. They have it in black, but I really like the red. I've been wanting a red bag for the longest time. I just can never find the right shade of red or like the leather. Like, there was a mini a couple years ago that was just beautiful. Like, it was exactly this red. It was like lambskin, and I'm like sort of terrified of lambskin. So yeah, I like caviar. Or like calfskin, like washed calfskin is very nice because I just don't feel like it's like it just lasts, you know. And I'm very like, I take really good care of my purses, guys, because again, they're not cheap, so you got to take care of them. Okay, so this one, this is the big purchase, and I'm very excited about this because literally I never thought in my wildest dreams I would ever buy this. And I honestly never thought I would buy it, especially from Chanel, because I tried it on from a few other brands, and I was never really like a big fan. So let me show you what it is, and then we'll go back to the combo. So, packaging, so pretty. Any guesses? Any guesses? Does anyone have any guesses? No? Okay, so. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. It is a belt bag. I am so excited about this. I never thought in a million years I would ever buy this, guys. Literally. Like, there was just no way I would wrap around my head about spending this much money on, you know, Chanel calls it a belt bag, but you know what it is? It's a fanny pack. It is a fanny pack. So I never thought I was gonna buy this. I wanted one from Gucci for a while until I tried it on and it was just too chunky. I tried one from Saint Laurent, too chunky. I tried a few different models from Gucci. All of them were chunky. I just didn't, you know, they just added to you. They just made you feel a little bit bigger. And I didn't like that. So I was on Instagram, maybe in like December. I was like scrolling, and one of my favorite singers ever, like one of my favorite people, Lady Gaga, she was wearing this, like one of these, but in pink, and not as a fanny pack, but literally like she was putting it like under under her arms like this, ooh, let's figure this one out, guys. Like this, you know, and I thought it was just so cute. And then I said, you know what, let me go to the Chanel store and let me try it. So I went in December, I saw it, I loved it, and I was like, you know what, let me marinate. I marinate every big purchase, guys. Look, there's a lot of things I'd like to buy in impulse, but most of my purchases, I'm gonna go ahead and say 99.9% of all my purchases, I let it marinate. Maybe for a day, maybe for 2 days, maybe for a week, maybe for a month, maybe 2 months, you know? I just keep on marinating. If I keep on thinking about it and I keep loving it, I'll eventually get it. So I'd seen it on her, I went to the store, I tried it, I really, really loved it. I had gone with my mom. My mom also really, really liked it. But I didn't want to get it in pink. And I said, you know, black. I have already a pink bag. It only gets worn in the summertime. And so I figured, I was like, I really like the black one. I feel like it's cute, it is trendy. But you don't really necessarily have to wear it as a fanny pack, you know? And it has like the beautiful, like the belt here, and it's adjustable. So you can really make it longer, and you can wear it like a little, you know, I've seen people wear it crossbody and it looks, well, it doesn't really get to like the whole body. It like sort of stops here, you know? But it's just really really nice. So I really liked it. My mom really liked it, and it has like the little Chanel here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Little Chanel. So yeah, and it actually fits quite a lot. So here it is. And it has a zipper on the back, and it's like quilted. I don't know how much you can fit in here, guys, honestly. Like, I really don't. Like, you can fit like maybe your phone. You can fit your phone. Let me see if my phone fits. My phone. Okay, so my phone does not fit. Okay, so my phone doesn't fit, but I don't know. Your credit cards can fit here. Your credit cards, your cash, your driver's license. And then inside, I'm opening for you guys. Let's see, where's the card? Oh, see, I always take the, like, since I opened this yesterday, I always take the authenticity card. I never leave it in the bag, just, I don't know, I guess for safety reasons. So here it is. So, see, my beautiful little card. I'll put it in here for now. But yeah, it fits quite a lot of stuff, guys. And it has a little pouch here. And yeah, it fits a lot. Let's see if this little munchkin fits in here. It does. It does fit in here. And let me see if the phone fits too. Oh, look at that, guys. The thing and everything fit. Let's see if it zips. Yeah, it does. So it does fit. It's very, very cute, guys. I really, really like it. Yeah, I'm very excited about it. Like, I have a concert in May that I'm really pumped about. Like, so I will probably wear it to that. I just feel like it's very cute, it's very trendy, and it doesn't look bulky on. Like, you know, when you try it on, it doesn't look bulky. When you actually put it on your waist, if that makes any sense. So I really liked it. It was very cute. It was $2,900 plus tax. I know plus tax it was like 31 something. So it's not your grandma's fanny pack, that's for sure. But I just find it very cute. And funny thing is, me just talking like 10 minutes ago about, you know, how I'm not big on lambskin. I just find lambskin so fragile. This is lambskin. And I know they have a caviar version too, caviar leather version, but that one is not as Malibu. I'm not saying, I don't think I'm saying correctly, but it just doesn't like go, it's not as flexible, I guess, what I'm trying to say, when it goes to your body, when you're actually wearing it as a belt bag. So anyway, so these are my two purchases, and I am very excited to wear them. So I'm very pumped. I love the smell of the leather, I love the boxes, I love the tissue papers, I love it all. So I'm very excited, guys. And anyway, so that's my first YouTube video. I'm gonna make videos every week, from fashion to mostly fashion, because that's what I love. I really enjoy fashion. Fashion and makeup, and what else do I like? I love traveling, so you know, maybe I'll start taking you guys on my trips too and do vlogs, but there's just a lot of things that I want to share with you guys. So every week I'm gonna have a new video up, and I hope you follow along. I hope you like the videos. Comment below and subscribe and get to know each other. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye.